Hello everyone, just a little video just to tell you what I'm thinking about at the moment. Now, with my channel, as you would have seen, I do a variety of mailbag. With my channel I do a variety of videos such as the mailbag, repairs, reviews, and so I'm thinking that I want to change the format very slightly. Now, what I've been considering doing is actually splitting off the mailbag from the main channel and have a mailbag channel and see how that goes. If it doesn't work, I might bring it back onto this channel. So I'm going to start up a second channel. I haven't started it yet. I should actually start it. And I'll probably call it something like Defpom's Mailbag or something like that. Defpom's Mailbag sounds like a good plan. And then we'll see how that goes, because I'm just trying to think about getting more focused content. So if you're trying to follow this particular channel, it will be about the electronics and the repair side of things. But mailbags equally, some people enjoy that quite a lot. So I don't want to drop that off completely. I was thinking, well, if I split it off into a second channel and just have a mailbag channel and see how that goes, because there are channels which actually do quite well just doing mailbag videos, and I also just do repairs and so on. So I'm just trying to split it up a little bit and think and just give it a try and just see how it goes. It may be a total disaster. It is going to cost you money, because obviously when I start a new channel the subscriber base isn't there. So what I'll ask you to do, if you're watching this video, go to my link down below. I'll probably stick it up here in the corner as well, and click on that and subscribe to that channel, my new channel. Right? Make sure you're going to do that, because until I get 1,000 subscribers and a decent amount of watch time on there, I can't get monetization on there, and so it's going to be costing me money to do this. Okay, it's a bit of a trade-off, but I think in the long run it's going to be worth doing, splitting it off. So if you could please just check those links out, go to that other channel of mine which I'm going to do, and subscribe to that channel, and I'll put my mailbag videos in future on that other channel, and fingers crossed it goes okay. So make sure that everyone, you right now watching this video, click that link, subscribe to the other channel, because until I get 1,000 subscribers on that channel I'm not going to be earning money from it. So it helps my channel a lot to have that extra little bit of earning. It's not much money, but it all helps. So that means that this channel will then become more focused on doing repairs and reviews. Now, what I'm also looking at doing then is, if the mailbag one goes okay and that works out alright, what I may then do is split off the review channel, right, and have a reviews only channel. That's much more risky, because reviews rely on me getting sponsorship from people to do that. And if I don't have the subscriber base on that channel, it's going to be really hard for me to justify getting that done. So that's the much harder one to do. Obviously right now it's based upon this channel and what this channel is achieving. So if I change to a second channel for reviews, I've got to basically start from scratch with that, and that may not go well at all. Mailbag, not so important, doesn't matter so much. I'm quite happy to split that one off and give it a go. But yeah, like I said, reviews, much more critical, get a decent subscriber base and a decent number of views. So if I do the review channel as well, what I'll probably do is create that channel in advance, get hopefully all of you to subscribe to that as well, and get a subscriber base there, and potentially even upload some old videos, some old reviews, take them off this channel, put them onto the new channel as well to get some kind of content base there, and see how that goes. But I need to have a subscriber base on that channel before I can switch it over to do reviews only on that channel, which should then hopefully leave this channel as electronics and repairs only. That's the intention. But say if the mailbag one doesn't work out, it's going to complete flake, and I'm just not going to bother, because it may just fall over and be a total disaster. Or it could be very beneficial. I don't know yet. Because I've got currently at least 3 kinds of videos on this channel. At least 3. So splitting it off is potentially going to give me a boost on this channel and a boost on the other channel, because it's more dedicated then. Instead of being a third of the content about repairs or electronics, it's going to be half the content is going to be about repairs and electronics. So that's beneficial, I think, if it works. It's a big gamble, but I'm going to give it a go, because why not? Got to try these things, It might work better, it might work worse. So we'll give it a go. So if you do want to follow mailbag videos, even if you don't want to follow my mailbags video, yeah, anything you see, we want to see me buying, things that, you do see me doing test gear in the mailbag. Sometimes I'll do a test gear repair in the mailbag as well, just if it's a little quick one. So maybe go and subscribe anyway. If you're not into Mailbag videos, it'll just help the channel out a lot. And then maybe unsubscribe later on once it's got a decent base. Well, it's up to you. Also, anyway, I'll catch you later, and hopefully I'll see you on another channel. Bye.